close to 150 of people who attacked other individuals who are running their business next to the office of the county government. It's unfortunate that we can witness this, and I'm reliably informed that the gang which was attacking people with pangas and rungus were guarded by the police officers. Since then, I've spoken to the county commander, the regional commander, and the PS Interior. Just on an ad, I'm told the gang is led by one criminal who has been marauding around, whereas the gentleman, I'm told, he has had 3 warrant arrests from court. They have injured, they have maimed a number of other citizens, innocent citizens. The only report I want to say is that lives lost because you want to settle scores. There is no scores you are going to settle with the people of Kisii. These people voted for the government, whereas others voted for Raila Amolo Odinga. Let us, and that was their democratic right. I want to plead with you once more again that please leave the Kisiis to operate their normal lives as it's been. When the police you turn against the people, will take steps to make sure security ourselves, we have enhanced it in our county. Otherwise, as from Monday, I'm taking the necessary actions to make sure my people, they are safe. Anybody who must have been involved in this exercise, we want to see them being brought to book with immediate effect. If you don't, we will bring them to you. Thank you.
Mr. Governor.
What I have is that these people, the gang of 150, they were being escorted by the police to where the border offices are, next to the county office. Then the police were standing there as these people, they attacked, broke into the offices, broke down the motorbikes. And it's unfortunate that this one can be done when there is insecurity apparatus who know. I'm told these people in the morning, they were escorted like 3 kilometers from Darajambili all the way to where the offices are. It's unfortunate that this can happen, and whereas the officers were informed in advance. There is no scores they're going to score here. We are peaceful, we are peace-loving county, and we want our county to remain so. Anybody who doesn't know about the history of Kisii is that people themselves, they can decide now to defend themselves when the government fails to carry out their constitutional mandate. Otherwise, we want to ask the Kisii community, be calm. We'll sort this mess out once and for all.
My name is Dr. Marita. I'm the head of department, emergency department at KTRH. This evening we received casualties, 10 of them, who the allegations are they were assaulted by people known by them. Out of the 10, 7 had injuries which were able to be treated and allowed home. 3 were fairly critical and had to be admitted. For the 3, 2 of them have deep cut wounds to the scalp with mild to moderate brain injury. Some of them we have done various investigations, including CT scans, X-rays, and ultrasounds to try and assess the internal organs that have been damaged, if any. 1 out of the 3 is fairly critical with severe head injury, and therefore there are plans underway to take him to Kenya to further explore the various parts that have been injured. Otherwise, we haven't had any mortality so far, and we'll be watching closely to see how they fare on. For now, we are putting them under very close observation.